that sound effect in my parents' kitchen. Oh look, it's me. I made this in like 3rd grade and my mom still has to glue the hand back on every now and then. My mom said when she's mad at me, she turns me around like this. Absolutely not. Sugar.
It's fun to have a potato masher in the drawer so it doesn't open.
Got it. I don't have a potato to mash. Where did I find these glasses in the kitchen, you ask? In the junk drawer, obviously. What else is in there? More glasses. Yes, my hands are dry. It's not because I wash them all the time because of my OCD. It's not. Y'all have a good day.